Hi guys, today we'll be making some Chinese ribs. First we need to cut our ribs. Cut the rib into individual slices. Now we're going to sear our ribs. Now we're going to heat our oil. To give the oil some fragrance, we're going to put garlic and ginger. 3 cloves of garlic. Cook garlic till it browns. Two slices of ginger. Sear ribs, meat side down first. Cooking time 3 minutes each side. After 3 minutes we flip. After searing, we take it out. Once seared, we add our liquid ingredients. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 cups of water, now we add our dry ingredients, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 star anise, garlic and ginger, finally 1 tablespoon of white pepper. Now we stir. Cook for 40 minutes at medium heat. After 40 minutes, the sauce should look like this. This is the star anise package and you can get it at any Asian supermarket. Preheat air fryer for 3 minutes. Now we put our ribs into the air fryer. Cooking time 5 minutes. After cooking, we take out the ribs. Now we're going to cut our vegetables. Now we put vegetables in the water. Cooking time 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we take it out. Now we make our rice. Now garnish with green onions.